What we have here in this video is an Auger Drilling Rig. The machine comes with its own shoring system. It's specially designed for providing enough room for the operators and other crew members to safely operate the machine. This machine is suitable for installation of gravity sewers and for high precision drilling. Now this machine uses a special laser guidance system to control the direction of drilling. The operator can control and correct the drilling path. The operator should do his best to make the drilling as precise as possible, as close to what's put in the project documents. With this kind of precision, this machine is suitable for installation of sewer lines, of gravity sewers, Also remarkable about this machine is that it comes with its own unique shoring system. The shoring system is a steel box in which this machine is installed and it's operated. The key function of the shoring system is the safety of people who work with the machine. It actually limits the amount of cubic meters of soil you have to dig in order to create a starting pit.